Technologies are changing the way we live, from robots to self-driving cars. Welcome to Epic Society, and today we are counting down top 5 technologies in 2019. Before we begin, I publish new content every Sunday, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about my newest videos.
Good morning, Jarvis.
Good morning, Mark. It's Saturday, so you only have 5 meetings. Room temperature is set.
Number 5. Internet of Things, also known as IoT. IoT has its use across several industries such as manufacturing, logistics, oil. 2019 will see the Internet of Things becoming more deeply embedded in our day-to-day lives, at home and at work. By 2020, more than 50 billion things ranging from cranes to coffee machines will be connected to the internet. Number 4. Cloud computing. Whether you are running applications that shares photos to millions of mobile users or you are supporting the critical operation of your business, the cloud provides rapid access to flexible and low-cost IT resources. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of compute power, database storage, application and other IT resources. Number 3. Big data. Analysis of dataset can find new correlations to spot business trends, prevent diseases, combat crime, and so on. The term big data trends to refer to the use of predictive analytics, user behavior analytics, or certain other advanced data analytics methods that extract value from data and sell them to a particular size of dataset. Number 2. Blockchain, a network designed around the concept of distributed trust in order to facilitate online transactions. Blockchain is best known as the underpinning technology for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Blockchain technology allows for the secure tracking, recording, and processing of transactions. Unlike virtually every online transactional model, blockchain requires no centralized database. Since there is no centralized data store, hacking into a blockchain block will yield no wealth of information.
It could be terrible, and it could be great. It's not clear.
Right.
But one thing is for sure, we will not control it.
Number 1. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI.
Sophia? That's kind of creepy. Okay. Sophia, what is God?
In monotheistic thought, God is conceived of as the supreme being and the principal object of faith.
Machine learning is not just a database or programming problem. It is also a requirement for artificial intelligence. A system that is in a changing environment should have the ability to learn, otherwise, we would hardly call it intelligent. I hope that you've liked this first video of Archicode. Do not hesitate to let me know by giving a like, then subscribe to me.